Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition switch on your Troy Bilt Bronco riding lawnmower. So if you look here guys, you'll see my key here, it doesn't sit down in the ignition as it should, so we'll go ahead and replace that guys. So the first step guys, we'll go ahead and open our hood. Okay guys, so here's the connector for ignition switch. So we'll just disconnect that guys by pulling it down. And to remove the ignition switch assembly, you have two tabs, one at the front here and one at the back guys. You can just feel for that, and we'll just need to squeeze those in while pushing it out guys. Okay guys, so now that we got the old assembly out, we'll go ahead and install our new assembly guys. So here's our new assembly guys. So we'll just install that with our tabs aligned with the cutout on the panel here guys. So you want to make sure you have your diagrams in the correct order. So as easy as that guys. So all we have to do now guys is to plug back in our connector. And that is it guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Also guys, I did get a set of new keys, but my old key should work as well. So I'll leave the part number in the description guys. So let's crank her up and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. God bless.